Yeah. Which I did. So wait, I think we should explain that we're taking a different approach. This lady's watching us. I think we should explain that we're taking a different approach.
I think we should do everything at this angle.
No. So this time,
wait, my hair looks gross.
In our last disposable.
Make sure you're looking down here, Betty boy.
I'm not. In our last disposable video.
Hey, don't look at us, Jesus.
Will you shut up? So in our last disposable camera video, we didn't use the flash at all, I don't think, so that's why a lot of our pictures are really dark. So this time, we're taking all the pictures with the flash, so hopefully they turn out better. Fingers crossed. Okay, let's go get some fries.
Yeah. Fry time.
Please, allow me to show you something.
Wrote you a letter. Now that I'm here without you, hope that you're better. Hope that you found someone new. 'Cause I'm getting older, know that I've changed. And I can't go back now, nothing's the same. But I won't forget how you called my name. And I was afraid, now I'm afraid. So will you remember me? Will you remember the way that I was?
Look at her sucker.
Dang, a cheeseburger would have been so good.
We double tap. Got it. I'm good like that.
I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high.
I still want you back. I still need you back. I still want you back. I still need you back. I still want you back. I still need you back. I still want you back. I still need you back. Something's gotta give now. Always in my head now.
I always look so pink. He has good style though.
I mean,
Which I thought was kind of weird. No one liked me in high school.
I'm so in love with her, but I am so unhappy. She's so smooth but insecure. I wanna tell her, don't be. She wears black, all black on black. I wanna see her brighten and see her lift her legs right from my life. Oh no, I think I've fallen in it. Oh no, it isn't any use. Oh well, I should have left it sooner.
he's what?
Ew.
I'm putting the side
Yes, 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 yes. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
A stink bug almost went in my cup. Not okay.
That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I know that we really like making these type of videos, so we definitely plan on doing some more. So like this video if you like these type of videos, and subscribe for more. Why are you doing that? You freaking psychopath. Wow. Taylor, will you stop playing Minecraft and stop talking?
No. I will not.